Hi children, welcome to all. Today we are going to study the social science, the geography chapter 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, we studied the previous lesson, the planets, among the planets have the earth. Earth is our living planet. Now in this class we are going to see the model of the earth. The globe have the small lines on the, what are the lines? Where the lines are located, where indicate someone, that only you are going to see in this class. Okay, see, this is a model of the earth. It is known as the globe, isn't it? Yes, it has the tilted axis also, isn't it? Yes, it has the 2 points, the north pole and the south pole. Okay, see here, the globe can be moved around this needle from west to east, just as earth moves. How the earth moves, that like that, and the globe also move from the west to east. Okay, see, the real earth has no such needles, but here have that needles. Shall we see that one by one? See, I said that the imaginary lines, that is a latitudes is measured in degree. The equator represented the 0 degree latitudes. See this, see in the center of that equator, this is mentioned in the degrees, that is a 0 degree latitudes. Above that equator, above the lines have, that is a northern hemisphere, northern latitudes, and then below have that equator lines, that is known as the, see here, that is known as the southern latitudes. Okay, see, then another imaginary lines running on the globe divides into 2 equal parts. It is known as the equator. Equator divided the 2 part of our earth, isn't it? That is known as the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, see now, this is a northern hemisphere and then southern hemisphere. The in center have that equator lines. Okay, then see, this is important parallel lines. What is this? See, the center have that equator, and then above the equator have the Tropic of Cancer, and then this is also mentioned in degree, and then below that equator line have the Tropic of Capricorn, and the north pole located the Arctic Circle, south pole located the Antarctic Circle. Okay, see, next we are going to see the heat zones of the earth. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on a latitude in between the Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat, and this is called the torrid zone. Okay, see, this is the zones, heat zones. What are they? Frigid zone, temperate zone, torrid zone, isn't it? See here also have that the midday sun never shines overhead on the any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. See, these are the heat zones. Okay, see, torrid zone is located in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, see, next we are going to see the latitude lines. First we saw that, latitude lines, that latitude lines are what? Running from east to west, isn't it? That is known as the horizontal lines. Okay, that lines are known as the latitudes or parallel lines. Okay, next we are going to see the longitudes. Longitudes are meridian of longitudes. Longitudes lines are running from north pole to south pole. See here, it is vertical line. Okay, meridians of longitudes. The curve of an imaginary semicircle that joins the 2 poles. They run in the north and the south direction. See, the half to the east of the prime meridian is eastern hemisphere, and the half to west of the western hemisphere. See here, the western hemisphere and then eastern hemisphere. there is a time difference between the places on different meridians because they have sunrise and sunset at different time. Then time is ahead in the places to the east. See, northern hemisphere and then western hemisphere and then eastern hemisphere. Okay. See the example. Singapore is to the east of the India. It is 2.5 hours ahead of India. When it is 8 a.m. in India, it is 10:30 a.m. in Singapore. This is a time difference of our country to another country. Then the countries in the eastern hemisphere have sunrise before those in the western hemisphere. Okay. Then to locate a place on a map, we need to know the number of the parallels and the number of the meridians that lies close to it. The grid made by the parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitudes. Okay. See that both line have, that both line will be going to join and make a grid. Okay, that grid is going to help to locate the places. Okay. Then what we studied in this class, we have discussed today about the globe, parallel lines, and facts about the parallels, numbering of the parallels. We studied that 360 degree, they are from that 180 degree parallel lines and then 180 degree meridian lines also studied. That numberings of parallels, important parallels we studied, meridians, then numbering of meridians, locating places. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, students. Thank you to all.